Good evening and welcome back to another video. I'm Charlie and today we're going to be unboxing this 24-inch iMac I bought off Ricardo. Now this iMac is really nice. I bought this for only $100 total including shipping, and this apparently is the top spec model sold in 2008. I'm super excited to be unboxing this iMac, so let's get to opening it. No. My disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined. I mean, honestly, the plan for this video was going to be completely different. I was going to do like one of those cool videos with the name, something along the lines of like most expensive iMac from like 2008 or highest spec iMac they sold or something like that, because this is a special computer. But no, I guess not. Yeah, so that's pretty wrecked. I mean, I remember first time I looked in the box, I thought, it doesn't actually look too bad. The corners seem to be all fine and whatnot, but no, it's bad. And then I saw this and I'm like, oh god, what am I gonna find when I open this up? And well, I'm thankful that the computer works, but these is falling off. This is nice and hazardous for me, thanks. Yeah, I also don't know if the LCD underneath the screen has been scratched at all, which is something I'm most worried about. The computer works, which is a surprise. The rest of it is, well, it's not bad. It's just annihilated. I'm gonna try to talk to the guy who sold it to me. So, yeah, whatever. Well, that's unfortunate. Yeah, not really sure what I'm gonna do now. So yeah, to anyone that cares, this is the 3.06 gigahertz model, which is the fastest model they made with the 2 gigabytes of RAM. This is a 2008 model. Got some information here. It's in French, so I can't really understand it 'cause it's from the French part of Switzerland, but yeah, pretty disappointed. Alright, so I'm done cleaning up the iMac, and it actually looks pretty nice. The one thing I was kind of worried about was that the LCD would be scratched from some of the glass shards that went behind the glass panel, but it actually looks pretty good. There aren't any scratches, and I just finished cleaning it up, and it looks good as new. But I just ordered a new glass panel, which was about 50 bucks online, which will come in some time, but yeah, I'm still disappointed. I'm talking with the seller right now, and he wanted me to take it to the post office, although I'm not sure they're gonna really do anything. I'm gonna try getting at least maybe 30, 40 bucks off of him just to partially pay for the replacement. But yeah, otherwise, that's all I really have to say for now. All right, so it's been about a week of ownership of this iMac, and I've already started to get to know it. It's actually quite nice of a computer, other than the missing front glass. Now I'm contacting the seller. He said he was gonna open up a claim with the post office, but he hasn't gotten back to me in a while, so I assume that means I'm down the pit $50. I spent exactly $50 on a new front glass, which should be arriving in the middle of March. However, I probably won't be uploading a video like that until March is over, because we're going to be doing a March related event, and that's going to be my next few videos, which is going to be exciting. But yeah, the iMac works. I've already put a number of OSs on here, and it's actually not bad, and it works pretty well. But otherwise, that's all I really have to say. I'll make an update video on this when I get the front glass as like another tech log. But yeah, that'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below know if you have anything you want me to do next, or if you have a video suggestion. And yeah, also we have a Discord server, link below. If you're interested in talking about vintage tech, then I suggest you join it. It's quite fun. But as always, thanks for watching and have a nice night.